Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. To Sir Syadan. My name is Muizzuddin bin Muzaini. My matric number 2021166829.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Abdul Aziman Abdul Manan, matrix number 2021340827.
We are from class M3CS2554A and will present ITT 440 group lab assignment. So we are going to present program 1, use TCP program. And this program is about client who is sending his or her IP address to the server. And then the server will display the IP address of client on his or her screen. Then let's see the coding. Okay, so this is our server.c coding. This is our declare our libraries. And then we have function design for chat between client and server. And then the server be able to send a message to the client. And then if server type exit, then the server will exit and chat will be ended. Okay. This is the integer main, where the socket create and verification, and then the assign IP port, then the binding newly create socket to the given IP and verification, and then to if the listening fail, this is the coding for socket listening fail. This is coding for accept the data from the client and verification. And then the function for chatting between client and server. And then the close socket coding. Then this is coding for the client.python. In here we have only two import libraries, socket and OS. And then declare the socket object. And then we have defined the port. Then the IP address for the server. And then this is coding for the command to ping to the server. And then receive data from the server and decoding to get the IP. And then socket.close. And then Azim will demonstrate for us.
Alright, so first we need to start the server, which is in a mint domain. So let's see. For server, we use C, the language C. So let's start it. So as you can see, if we start the server, the server will say socket successfully created, and then socket successfully binded, and then it will say server are listening. So for this, in Ubuntu, we use Python for the client coding. So we if we start the client coding, it will show the message. It will send the IP address to server, and then the server will show the client's IP address, and then server can enter a message to send to client side. So we say hello, and we type our message. The message will be shown in the client side. So I think that's all.
Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Daniel. So today I'm about to present my UDP client server program. So basically I use C language for server and Python language for the client program. So we'll start with the server. So this is the program for the server. So I use port 1200 and I use two different machines for the server and the client. So basically you get two different IPs instead of using the local address. So we establish the connections, and from here we're gonna receive and send data packets from the client and to the client. Okay, so okay, so for the client part, I use this is Python language. So from here we create a UDP socket to establish a connection with the server, and from there we're gonna enter a message, which is a thank you message or any other message, and after that, the client's gonna receive the time and dates from the server. Okay, so I'm gonna demo it. So first we need to restart the server first. First we're gonna compile to make sure there's no error, and then we can run it. Now we go back to the client, open the terminal. So we run the Python program using Python 3, and then so from here the client program is gonna prompt a message. So basically we want a thank you message, and we send it to the server. And so after we send it, the server will send us the current time and date of the server. So as you can see from the server here, this is what the client sent to the server, and this is what the server sent to the client. So I think that's all. So thank you.